Welcome to Karma Auto Group, Duluth's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great coupe in our collection. A pre-owned 2020 BMW M8. This BMW is powered by M's Drive all-wheel drive V8 engine, automatic transmission, and has 85,463 miles. Unleash the thrill of driving with this stunning 2020 BMW M8. Experience luxury and performance like never before. With low mileage and pristine condition, it's the perfect blend of sportiness and sophistication. Don't miss out, schedule your test drive today. This pre-owned M8 comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with keyless entry, AC, power windows, power seats, push-button start, power tailgate. To keep you entertained, this BMW M8 is equipped with Bluetooth, navigation, head-up display. Safety was put first by the following features: electronic stability control, ESC, adaptive cruise control, ABS brakes, daytime running light. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.